Okay, good morning everybody, and once again welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 11. After a break of 7 days, we are back here for the class now. Now there will be no off, no holidays from my perspective, from my side. Okay, before going on this leave, vacation, holidays, I give you a good homework, which includes getting a use case, thinking about the use case, doing the work with a pen and paper, and then finally build it something in the service now. Practically, I did not get chance to see what you have built till now, but possibly by today or tomorrow I'll see everything together and we'll go for the same. Just a reminder that Friday we will have this presentation. Okay. This presentation also get recorded and possible if you can do it via video as well. Okay. Now let me pick up a separate topic, a different topic, an interesting topic. The thing is that okay. The thing is that everybody is using a website. It can be e-commerce website. It can be like your phone, laptops, outfits, accessories, food. We are using website. Why? Because we want to be order something. We want to purchase some product. And for that, either you can go in the shops, mall, or outlets, or you can do it via online as well. But when we order something, we are ordering as an end user, not as a fulfiller. End user means that I want to purchase something for my purpose. I want to buy something for my purpose. And that is the end user. So now the coming topics for the next, I can say 5 or 6 days. Okay. I can say we are going to be cover two main topics. One is called service portal and another is called request management. Okay. These are two separate topics, but they're interrelated with each other. When I talk about a website to order something, so like if I go here and let's say I open this one. Amazon. Okay. See carefully what I'm doing and what we can do. This is what Atul, it's a website, right? Can you go on the mute if you're not speaking? Okay, thanks. Okay, this is what it's a website where you get your products. Let's say I want to be order something for my grocery. I can go here. I can say I want a full grocery, or maybe I want to go for the all type of groceries. These things which you can see is a categories. On the top, there's a catalogs. So these are the catalogs. The first one which we see is a catalogs. Music is a catalog. Apps for Android is a catalog. Something from Alexa is a catalog. These are the catalogs. This one. Book catalog, music catalog, electronic catalog. Under that, I have a categories. Camera, photos, TV, audio, Wi-Fi. I want to purchase headphones. And these are the items. These are the items which I actually order. This should be understand a little bit easy manner that when you go in a restaurant, what you get from the waiter at the first point is menu card, right? Menu. What that menu contain? That menu contains some information. Now we have a different type of menus. Main course menu, drinks ka different menu, soft drinks are different menu, kids ke liye different menu. And under that we have a categories. If I talk about the food of the main course, starters, desserts, main course, chapati, or breads, salad, raita. These are the categories. And under that, we have a either subcategory or we have an item. Like in the starter, we have a soup. Again, is a category, and in the soup, we have 2 or 3 or 4 type of soups. Then in the bread, we have different type of breads, butter naan, normal naan, chapati, and all things will be there. And what you do, you order a last item only. Did you say, waiter, please bring soup? No. You say, can you bring this tomato soup? Can you bring this monchon soup? Might be in the soup as a category, there are 10 different, 20 different type of soups. But you never order the soups. You order a single soup. Item you order. Okay. So these are the items which we order. But now the question comes, Atul, are we going to create a website for these things? No. In service now, we don't call this as a website. We call it as a service portal. For my end users, let's say today, Deepak joined a new company. Okay. And his boss says, Deepak, could you please order the laptop? Deepak said, from where? Okay, go to this portal and order laptop. How the service portal look like? Slash SP is the way to call the service portal. See, this is similar to website, but it is not a website. You want to order laptop? Yes. Catalog. Browse by categories. I need hardware. Okay. Cables. Category and items. And then Deepak order multi-port AV adapter. And he can order. But in this, everything you are able to see. These options, these options, these options, these all are configurable. These has been set up on the service portal. So whenever we get a new instance from ServiceNow, we get one portal that is called a service portal. Okay. But now there's another portal that is called ECS. ECS. Employee Service Center. ServiceNow say, or let's say Deepak is working in a company to log a HR case. Might be he want to know about the leave policies for maternity or the paternity. He want to know about the advance salary. He want to know about the loan from the office. He want to know about the medical claims. He want to order a laptop, a phone. as his project requirement. Now to do this 2 or 3 different type of work, he need to be logging in the 2 or 3 different portals, which is again a problematic. Remember the passwords number 1. Remember the portal link number 2. Then might be look and feel is a different and things are getting difficult. So ServiceNow bring a new concept that is called the ECS, Employee Service Portal, which is a replacement or kind of a replacement of the service portal only, and added one few more on the top of that. So we are not going to be discuss ECS as of now because ECS is a part of ITSM training, but we will discuss about the service portal. Okay, so now we will come back here on the service portal. Now let me take you on this part. All and portals. As I said, everything is configurable on this portal. And this is what ServiceNow give. You want to see ECS portal? Go here. ESC. Employee Service Center. This is a way to call the portals to open the portal, to open this interface. The concept of ECS and the concept of service portal are 2 different things. Okay. But ECS is going to be a future now, very soon. It will be get replaced. Sorry, it will replace service portal, but it doesn't mean that ServiceNow is going to be decommission the service portal. No. Service portal will be still there, but ServiceNow recommending to use ECS portal for your employees. But for the ECS, we need the we get the ECS as well out of the box. We have to be configured. Now come to this particular part. Service portal. Okay, ServiceNow say that there's a few things which is if you change can be problematic. So don't change it or compare it and then update it. Okay, this is what the title says. Service portal. If you change, and this is called the URL suffix. If you change the suffix and save. And now try to reload this. See, it is not able to find out. Why? Because you change the suffix. If I change it to LNG, it is open because suffix is the important part here. In the background, this suffix has a map with the page, and that page get loaded when you call this suffix. URL suffix, and it is not a personalized, it is a global level change. If I change at my side, it will get reflected at your side as well. Clear everybody till this point? Doubt, question? Good, thanks. Now, the things which you're able to see here, these colors and all, these are coming from this particular part. So if you go and you can see this one, index, that is my home page. और वो यहाँ पर define किया हुआ है. I can change the page as well. Let's say I put announcement. See the changes now. See, Earlier, when we click on this, it was going on the index page, but now it's going on the announcement page. How this page has been defined? You can see the code here. Again, it is a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, a lot of things. It is a combination. So these are nothing but these are the pages. KB view 2. So if I click on this knowledge, see. So if you want for your customer, you can change these pages, but it is not much recommended because this is might spoil your interface. Okay. Now if I go here, login page as a landing. Let me show you this thing. Open this in another window. That how this page look like. The configuration. Page content. And under that we have a complete code for this one. I'll come on this what that how this page will be, how this structure will look like. Okay, let's go a little basics one. If the page is not found for node 4, let's say I open this and mention, see, for node 4. This is again configured. And you can see here. Then the menu, this thing. Yeah. This is coming from SP header menu page. If I change it, let's say employee service center menu and save. Reload this one. Wait, sometimes it's a cache. See, menu get change. Earlier there was 3 options. Now it is only, sorry, it was 4 or 5 options, but it's 3 now. Because you change the theme, you change the menu, sorry, not theme, menu. Let me show you something more to be sure here. HRM headers. See, did you notice? Knowledge and catalog. Why? Because you change the menu. So if you want, you can create your own menu page as well. And then you can call it here. And last is a theme. Atul, I don't like this black, this theme, green color. I want to change the theme. Go and put EC theme. See, change. This is coming from the theme part. And the last, which is added by ServiceNow in this Xanadu release, is inactive. I want to be inactive this portal. Earlier, this option was not there, but it has been reduced now only. I want to make this portal as the inactive so that nobody can use it from the front end. So I can mark inactive and I can put alternative. Like you log into irctc.com, but it show you that this site is no longer valid and it auto redirect to irctc.co.in. By this, it can be possible. It is from the latest release. So this is what we're discussing now. Now, after doing this, you can see these icons in there. Icon and then the landing page. Quick configuration like this. Question Kamatul, why you are telling this thing to us? Because Every customer need a good front face interface, a user-friendly interface. Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart. Why you like to use that? Quick, easy navigation, 2 clicks order done, right? And what you can do on a service portal. Let me give this homework today. Um, Let me see. Himanshu, take a note of the homework and put in the um, WhatsApp group after this class. What you can do as an end user on the service portal. I'm repeating the question. What you can do as an end user on the service portal. You have to find out the answer. Now let's come back here a little bit more. When you go here, okay, let's do one thing. Let's bring in the normal way. Index landing, that's fine. SP header menu. And save. Let's bring in the normal one. Now I can go here and I refresh my page. Click on this and you search here. Email. This is not the global search. This is only a service portal search. Now email and enter. In the background, a query run, which go in the two places, knowledge base or catalog. Why only two places? Because we define this configuration in the search section. यहाँ पर कि इन्हीं दो जगह में जाना है. Go in these two places and find the results for me. Okay, find the results for me. And after that, we have some configuration of the page level where we have a filters as well. ठीक? I am an end user. I can either check the knowledge article, either I can check the catalog item, and I can see that is my work, is my task is getting fulfilled or not. Now the second part. In the knowledge base, only two knowledge bases I can search. I have only two knowledge bases which has been defined here. Either go in the non-error, either go in the IT one. Again, knowledge base, knowledge management is the concept of the ITSM. But if you want to add more, you can do it. And then catalog. Only one is showing here. Means if you go here, click on this catalog and click on this request. It's called catalogs. Yeah. And in that we have a categories. Clear till this point. Doubt, question, clarification. Good. Now the what's next for us here? Atul, can we create our own service portal? Now remember the application, the project, the use case which you'll be using or the building it. Think from the user perspective. If the user need to be order something, to create something, to request something, he always go to the service portal and log a request. right? So we can create our own service portal. So now the next step is that how I can configure my own service portal, how I can configure my own pages. ये वाले. On this part, let's take a quick view. Banner image and menu. And every menu has a page to be linked, to be open. Then under this, we have profile and logout. This is my portal search, but it is not a global search. Atul, can I change this text? How can we help? Or can you change this text? Might be yes, might be no. These are called the widgets. Widgets. These again are called the widgets. Boxes. These are called the widgets here. We can configure it, and on this part we have virtual agent, chatbot, which you say, which with you can speak and you can do your work, or you can ask for any updates or products kind of things. Like the normal chatbot or chat we use in the different websites. This is again not a part of this training because this is a complete different concept of the virtual agent. Okay. You can see here now we will see that how to configure a service portal. I want to create my new service portal because you have your own use case in your mind now, which you want to be achieved. Till the time the form you design was on the native view. Can you order something from Amazon website as a from the backend perspective, where you have to fill the 10, 20, 30 fields? No, never we can do. How you order? You open the app, go to catalog, go to item, details 2 or 3 fields, submit. Right, and submit it. But we have linking of all these things. So now what to do? Come back here. There are 2 ways to create a new portal. Either you can go here, click on the portals, click here as a new, or go here, portal configuration. This one, service portal configuration. Click on this. Now another homework for today. The use case you are building, you have to create at least one portal for that particular use case. Okay, you have to create a new portal for that particular use case. Now, these are the 5 or 4 configurations you have to be do. Branding. ये जो आपको दिख रहा है सारा colors and other things. It's called the branding. Design the layout of the pages. यहाँ box आएगा, यहाँ box आएगा, यहाँ पर box आएगा. All these things. Then your page editor, your structure. So we'll go these things one by one now. Click on the branding editor. It is asking which particular page, sorry, which particular portal you want to be change it. I want to be make a change in the LNG one. यही ना हमारा portal जो we want to make a change. If you want to create a new one, then you have to be go back here again. You have to put on the designer, create a new widget and new portal, everything together. Or what we can do here, or you can click here, new service portal. चलो यहां से पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं। टाइटल LNG पाठशाला बैच 16। B16 is my URL suffix. What should be the home page for this particular portal? The reason before you go and configure something, you need to know the portal's pages as well. I said, okay, as of now, let's put the home page as B home. It is already built up. Okay. What image you want to upload? This one. Logo and icon. I have no idea what is icon and what is logo. You have to find out the reasons, or you have to find out the answer points. Okay. How the menu will be look like? Because these are the pages. Just open here. Okay. These things, these are the pages only. So I'm using all pre-built things. SP header menu and as well as a thing. And then you can put hide portal name, support fights, or these things. You can enable the AI search as well. I doubt that in PD AI search work properly, or we can configure 100%. That's doubtful. Okay. And then I can save my portal get created. Now to see P16. See, our portal is created. I want to make a change in this portal. Now go back here. Branding editor. So you can create your own portals. That's fine. Totally fine. No problem. Okay. Let me go and change it here to B16. What do you want to make a change? A hell of options here. And the good part is this, in this particular option, in this particular configuration, that you can see the changes very quickly. Let me change to the themes. You want to change the navigation background. So this has the different sections: navigation background, branding, text colors. I want to make change this one. See, it will be look like this. You want to see? No need to be click on the save or something. It reflects quickly, immediately. Okay. Now come back here. Navigation divider. You can see the preview here as well. See, blue. Link color. ये वही है टाइप जो हमने देखा था, डेटा टाइप, कलर सिलेक्शंस. See, if you want to do the editing, you can do this particular part here. Page background. As soon as you tab out, your changes will be reflecting here. So this thing is another homework for you. Create a new portal with the basic page and go in the service portal configuration and do the branding changes and see how the brand will look like. How this color will look like. So it is all about plus minus things, nothing much, which you can do at your end very easily. Clear? Good. Now the next thing is called the designer. We can see a lot of pages structure. Now, if I come back here, let me open this one, LNG one, because that has a okay. These are the different pages you can see. Want to see in the we have index page, right? See, index page. We have a KB underscore view. See, is a page. If you want to create your own page, you can click on this one. Page title. Score P. Submit. I want that in my B16 one, in this one, I want to design a page. A page may contain widgets, pre-built code, but we can't put the widget immediately. So one more thing, let's go back here and refresh this list now. See, our portal is there. Now we'll put the container. In this container, I want to put my widgets. Should be 12, whether 12 as a dimension as a 1, or you want this 4, 4, 4 के 3 boxes. 4, 4, 4, 3 boxes. Okay, you want to see the preview? How it's the page look like? You can see the preview. खाली है क्योंकि भी हमने we did not put anything on this particular part. Now what the first box will contain? The first box will contain a clock. Drag and drop. Second box will contain announcements. And third box will contain planned maintenance. देखना preview. See. The only thing is that we did not configure this page in our portal as of now. So let me do one thing. Let me go back here, open this, and let me change home to the LNG underscore P. This is what I created, this page I created. See, now go back here, this one. Let me refresh one. Still taking B underscore home. It should take आ गया देखो. इतने पेज हमने भी बनाया. So this is coming from this designer one. How it will look like on the laptop this way, how it will look like on the iPads this way, and how it will look like on the phone is this way. So you can see number of ways to this page will be look like in the different devices, different type of devices. Now let me come back here. Design हो गया page का. Let's go to the portals. This is called the portal editor. That how your portal will be look like. The architecture actually. If I say, okay, guys, can you tell me that how many containers we have? Atul, one container, but we have actually two containers on this form, on this page. And if you want to see this information, you need to go to this one. Now click on this batch 16. Yeah. अच्छा ठीक है. I have to say it's the same place पे ना. हाँ. देखो, if you want to see the LNG one, see the structure. यही था ना structure में हमारे. If I open this one, the out of the box one, this is what the structure look like. कैसे? देखो. सबसे पहले आपका portal. Yes, we're on the portal. Then in this portal, two things. Theme is this, menu is this. Menu is this, and this rest is coming from the theme. Under that, we have stock header in the theme. But in the menu, we have these many menus. Knowledge, catalog, request, approval, system admin. You can see this. Cart नहीं होता इसमें, and tools भी नहीं होंगे. I want to make a change in the knowledge page. I have no idea that what from where this knowledge page is coming. जब मैं इस पे click कर रहा हूँ, from where it is be coming. So better I can go and click on this knowledge. And it will open me this menu. See this page. Or if you want to go to the direct page, now I know, okay, Atul, it is coming from the KB_view2. Click on pages. Which page you want to see? KB_view2. And now you can see how this page has been defined, how this page has been built up. KB view, it has two containers, 1 and 2. Container 1, container 2. Row 1, row 2. And then we have these things defined. If you want to see here, page in designer, now you can see. ये देखो ये रहा. यही page है ना हमारा, which we're discussing now. So you can open that thing from the configuration as well. But if you want to go to edit something in this page, then you can open that page in the designer. Most viewed articles. देखो यहाँ पे define है, and it is coming from here. Click on this, it will take on the widgets level. देखो widgets पे आ गया. Type head search. How can we help you? पूरा code है. So in this pages level, when I talk about the ServiceNow portal pages, we need to be more clear about the CSS, HTML scripting part. Both mainly on the server side scripting. And you can see. And you can configure it. Now the homework for you. You need to find out how I can change the background image of this particular option. I don't want this image. Second, how I can change this text. And third, how many ways to make a change in this image and this text. How is one part and how many ways are the second part? Clear everybody till this point? Doubt, question or clarification? Good. Now, once we've done these particular changes from the portal configuration, so you can create your own page as well. Now the question comes, Atul, can I create a new widget as well? Ye clock hai, I want to create a different type of clocks as well. Can I create? Yes. And that is called the widgets. Going to see out of the box widget first. Cool clock. यही widget है, but it is in the code format, so we're not able to understand. But this is what the widget we're using it. And this widget has these many components. In सबको मिला के by applying, putting all these things together, this is be visible here. This is showing here. So if you want to create your own widget, better either click on the create a new here, or if you want to clone it. Atul, I don't want to start from the scratch. I want to make a changes in the out of the box. Now here few things to be remembered. Number one, don't make a change in any out of the box widget. That is not recommended at all. But now Josna will say, Atul, अभी तो आपने बोला कि बना सकते हैं. Yes. If you want to do some changes in the out of the box this thing widget, then first clone it, copy it, and then make a change in the copied one, not in the original one. Why this is required to be understood? Think on this particular part. Why cloning is must. Clear. But if you know the CSS, JavaScripting and all things, you can do this part. So I want to create my own a new widget. So I can either click on the create new widget, or I can do this thing. So now what it's saying, this is a read-only widget and cannot be added except public checkbox is tick. So what they say, better go and clone it. ये देखो, clone मतलब कि make your own copy. LNG clock and submit. Now this is my widget and I can make a change. Let's make a change here. अच्छा इसको change तो करें. देखो वो ऑप्शन चला गया, वो रीड ओनली वाला. Now I can make a change. 50, 100, 200. Okay. Control S. Now we have to be add this widget in our page. तभी तो होगा ना, क्योंकि तो हमने नया बनाया है. Now let's go to the pages. और हमारा पेज कौन सा था? LG_P. इसको ओपन करते हैं डिजाइनर में. And now this is our another container, right? Let's say 12 और यहां पर हम लिखते हैं अपना विजिट कौन सा है. Find the widget. अरे दिखा क्यों रहा? Did we save this one? हाँ सेव तो किया हमने. अरे यार, why it's not showing to me? Okay, SP config नहीं. चलो SP config तो सही है, but why it's not showing to me? Let me refresh. हाँ देखो यहाँ क्या. And now if you preview it, see the changes. 100% we make it as a 30 or 40%. Might be I want to make a changes so I can do this particular part. But the only thing is that I did not make a change in the out of the box. I copy it, that is called clone, and then I make a changes here. To addition, deletion, removal, anything I can do at this particular part. Because this is my widget now. ठीक है, clear यहाँ तक everybody? Doubt, question, clarification? Good. Now, if you ask me, our portal configuration has been completed here. What is portal? How to use it? It has been done. But what is the major part has been left now? And what you have to do? You have to go and see these configurations on the different pages. At least open out of the box portal and see. Let me show you. This one. See what's your homework for another homework for today? Go and open and see these portals, this out of the box portal. See these widgets. कहां से आ रहा है, कहां लिखे हुए ये widgets के code. At least get this information. ये क्या आ रहा है? Can I make a change in this one? Then go and see the catalogs. ये छोड़ना है क्योंकि we will starting tomorrow. This catalogs part we will starting tomorrow. I don't want anybody to be take off till this class is over now. This topic which are going to start from tomorrow, that is request management, is going to be complete your syllabus by 30 to 40%. It's a major topic, will be completed in the 2 or 3 days. It includes catalog items, record producer, order guide, and we're going to pick up the flow designer as well. A big topic, so don't take it off by any reason. Okay. So homework to view all these things. From where this configuration is coming, from where this is becoming, how this look like. And then tomorrow we'll pick up that if I am an end user and I want to be order something, how I can make an order and how that order get processed and served to me. बैकग्राउंड में कुछ तो चल रहा होगा उस ऑर्डर के. You order something from the e-commerce website, you're getting messages, you're getting email. Your product has been packed, your product has been dispatched, your product has been this, your product has been that. Is someone sitting in the background who's doing all these changes? If no, then how the system is doing all these changes? Okay. This portion is not the part of the test, so don't worry. But start thinking that for your use case, for your application, how this portal is fitting up in the picture. So that after some time we will extend our test agenda as well, and we'll add this portion as well in that flow area. Clear? No doubt, no question. Anything, any question on the homework which I gave last week? Are you able to proceed further or not? Good. Someone was unmuted there, him or herself. Any doubt, question on that particular part? Okay, good. So let me stop the recording now and we'll take a quick attendance.